how working too much can affect terribly to your health. High levels of stress can make the hard work harder than it normally does, which, under very rare circumstances, experts say, could potentially lead to death. Here's what to know about death from overwork. What does stress do to the heart? Stress affects everyone differently. But two types of emotional stress can impact the heart, according to Dr. Alan Yoon, the medical director at Stanford Cardiovascular Health. Acute stress usually occurs suddenly after a traumatic event, like a car crash or an earthquake, while chronic stress builds up over time. Unhealthy behaviors, like eating poorly or not exercising, are also linked to chronic stress from working long hours, and these can cause an increase in blood pressure or cholesterol, Yoon said. When a person faces high levels of either kind of stress, their heart rate and blood pressure may increase. High levels of both types of stress can raise the risk for heart attacks and heart failure, mostly among people who already have heart problems like heart disease, Yoon said, according to the American Heart Association. More than 6 million Americans have heart failure, and more than 900,000 new cases are diagnosed each year. Anyone can develop heart failure, but it becomes more common with age, and most people who have it tend to have had another heart condition first. It develops over time, and with treatment and drugs, heart failure can often be managed. But without intervention, it can be fatal. How likely is it to die from working too much? It's possible, but very unlikely. Yoon said that heart failure due to stress would probably only be fatal if a variety of factors came together, including a long simmering period of stress, a sudden stressful situation and potentially an underlying heart condition, leading to death. It's pretty rare, Yoon said. Most people hopefully can see a doctor and mitigate it. How can it be prevented? People who have symptoms of a heart condition should immediately seek medical attention, Yoon says. There's also a lot you can do to manage stress before it becomes a problem. Several known ways to reduce stress include exercising, eating healthy, not smoking, seeking out quiet time and getting support from friends and family. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to watch more tips.